Hi, good morning to everyone. Today, let us know about congruency rules of triangle. The five types of congruency rules are SAS congruency rule, AASA congruency rule, AAS congruency rule, SSS congruency rule, and RHS congruency rule. To know about these rules, first we have to be knowing what is meant by congruent triangles or congruent figures. Congruent triangles. First of all, what is meant by the word congruent figures? Congruent means that the figures having same shape and same size. Sign is as you can see here, this is the sign. For example, two triangles are said to be congruent when their adjacent sides are equal. Here P, R and XZ are equal. Here P, Q and XY are equal. Here R, Q and ZY are equal. So it is said to be, and their angles are also equal. Angle P equals to angle X, angle R equals to angle Z, angle Q equals to angle Y. This is said to be triangle PQR. PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ. So now let's discuss about the congruency rules. The first congruency rule, that is SAS congruency rule. According to this rule, two triangles are congruent when if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. As we can see here, if two sides and the included angle AB and BC, the angle between these two sides is angle B, and the angle between these two sides is angle Q. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR as per the rule, that is SAS congruency rule. Now let us discuss about the second congruency rule, ASA congruency rule. According to this rule, two triangles are congruent when if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of the other triangle. It means if two angles and the included side 1 and 2, this B angle and C angle, these two angles are on the side BC, and in this triangle we can see that angle E and angle F, and the side is EF. By this rule we can say that these two figures, that is triangle ABC and triangle DEF, are congruent. Now let us discuss about the third congruency rule, that is AAS congruency rule. According to this rule, two triangles are congruent if and only if two angles and one side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the corresponding side of the other triangle. If two angles and one side of one triangle, G angle and M angle are in UGM triangle, angle G is equals to angle R in ERD triangle, and angle M is equals to angle D in the triangle M and in this triangle D, and line GU is equals to RE. This is said to be, it is congruent, and triangle UGM and triangle ERD are both congruent. Let us discuss about the fourth congruency rule, that is SSS congruency rule. According to this rule, two triangles are congruent if and only if three sides and one triangle are equal to three sides of the other triangle. All the three sides are equal to all the three sides of other triangle. Here side AC is equals to side YZ and side BA is equals to angle YX and side BC is equals to ZX. Therefore, it is said to be triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. Let us discuss about the fifth and the last congruency rule, that is RHS congruency rule according to 9th syllabus. If in two right triangles, as we know, right triangle means the angle, any of the angle measuring 90 degree in a triangle is called right triangles. Hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle. To know this congruency rule, first we should be knowing what is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the side opposite to the angle. As we know, X, Y and YZ are two sides, and angle Y means X, Y, Z is the angle Y is the angle, and the opposite side to this is XZ, and this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. And here the hypotenuse side we can find out. As I told, AB is the side and CB is the side. Now the angle between these two sides is angle B, and the opposite sides to angle B is side CA. Now let us discuss about this congruency rule. Hypotenuse and one side of one triangle. As I told, hypotenuse side in this triangle is AC and hypotenuse side in this triangle is XZ, and hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of other triangle. It is told that hypotenuse should be equal in both triangles, and any remaining one side means BC or AB, here XY or YZ, in both triangles any one side should be equal. Here XY is equal, that is the base, and here BC is equal, that is also base. If we rotate this triangle upside down, it will be the base. As per that, BC side is equals to XYZ and side CA, that is hypotenuse, is equal to the side XZ, that is also hypotenuse. And now it is said to be triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. Thank you.